We at the SRM AP University, on behalf of Directorate of Innovation and Entrepreneurship, we want to create an ecosystem where more student-led startups are coming up. We have extremely bright students and we are very talented. They are keen to pursue the entrepreneurship journey. So this is a long process. As a first step, what we have done is that we conducted something called Idea Workshop, where some curated students, they come to this workshop, where with the help of a handful of mentors, we discuss with the students and mature the ideas, and we give them some feedback so that we can take them to the next stage, where we do a deep dive and further amplify the ideas and make the solution better. So that's the objective of this workshop. And we have a very pretty good response. More than 200 students, they joined this idea workshop. And we have got some easily about top 50 ideas that are found to be very good. I think that defines the success of this workshop. And we are very pleased with the students' participation.